Moving to this now, there has been challenges when it comes to grant payment in recent months. In September, many recipients were left in the dark after a technical error at Postbank. That meant that thousands of beneficiaries could not use ATMs and retail stores to access their funds. Let's look at some of the ways to solve these challenges. I am joined now by Simphiwe Phakathi from Easypay, Executive Head of Sales and Distribution. A pleasure to have you on the program this afternoon. Firstly, can you elaborate on how Easypay Everywhere addresses the financial vulnerability which has been highlighted by the recent grant payment fiasco, also ensuring timely and accessible funds for grant recipients?
Good day, Nhlanhla, and good day to all your viewers. Just checking if you can hear me.
Loud and clear. Go ahead.
Fantastic. No, thanks a lot. Easypay Everywhere actually offers financial services, which is banking products, which ensures that grant recipients are then able to receive their grants through this bank account, which we call the Easypay Everywhere account. And this was tested during that difficult time of September that you referred to. And many grant recipients who had already switched over to Easypay Everywhere actually did not then get impacted. So that's how Easypay really comes to the party as far as ensuring that these grant recipients receive their grants.
So, Simphiwe, let's look into the context of Izinto Ziyahlangana. I mean, it suggests that Easypay does offer some solutions. I mean, Everywhere goes beyond traditional banking services as well. How does this commitment translate into tangible solutions for grant recipients, especially in terms of loans and insurance as well?
Great. So, Izinto Ziyahlangana is a term that we borrowed from the Zulu phrase, literally, Izinto, and we've just made it our own by using the word easy and to make it easy into Ziyahlangana, because it becomes then a commitment from Easypay Everywhere that we will make sure that our tailored products, our solutions, are able then to provide more than just the banking product that we've just spoken about, but offer tailored solutions which speak to the needs of these clients, such as, which you've mentioned, which is loans, as well as insurance. For our clients to be able to access these value-added services, obviously they need to then be banking with us. And what we've done around our product is really make sure that it speaks to the needs of these clients. If you look at the loan product as an example, it is up to a maximum of 2,000 Rand, which is really sizable for this market. But we give them up to 6 months to be able to pay it so that it's affordable. Secondly, we spoke about insurance. We also then offer them funeral cover in the form of insurance from as low as 5,000 Rand in terms of cover up to a maximum of 30,000 Rand. And then also pensioners cover, also for the pensioners, which is also quite affordable for them.
So, Simphiwe, you've also mentioned that Izinto Ziyahlangana is a promise or a commitment. How does then Easypay Everywhere ensure affordable, reliable banking and financial solutions for grant recipients specifically?
Great. So what we've done is obviously our pricing is very competitive in terms of making sure that it is affordable. Our banking product has a low monthly service fee only of 7.50 Rand. And we've also changed our products, our pricing as it relates to ATM withdrawals, because they like to be able to access cash so that they're able to then withdraw anywhere at any ATM that is closest to them, as opposed to trying to find the most, our ATM. They are able then to withdraw at an ATM that's closest to them, as well as retailers. So our banking product comes with a card which works on the national payment system, which can be used at any retailer, any bank ATM, or a retailer near where they stay. And secondly, we've also then obviously rolled out branches. We've got about 250 branches in the communities where these clients actually operate, so that we are closer to them and their needs. And thirdly, we've also then launched digital solutions. We call it phygital, because we want them to be able to engage with us physically when they need to, but also have the convenience of accessing digital solutions so that they don't have to catch a taxi to come for service. So we've got USSD, which they can see their balance without in the comfort of their home. If they've ever had a loan with us, they can reapply for a loan in the comfort of their home. And we've also launched a voice branch, which is via telephone through our call center, so that we can call them back if they don't have airtime, and are able then to offer them services in the convenience of their home. Yeah. So that's how we've made it really convenient for them.
Simphiwe, as we wrap up our conversation, the Easypay Everywhere card seems to offer various ways for customers to access their grant money. Could you explain how this approach eliminates the need for grant recipients to stand in these long queues that we continue to hear about?
Right, absolutely. As I said, the card, and our clients have a choice between a green or a black card now. The card then works across any bank's ATM, ours as well as any other bank's ATM, so that they don't have to stand in one particular queue to access their funds. Secondly, it works across all retailers in the country, where they can do a cashback transaction to be able to access their funds. So now clients have choice instead of waiting in a particular queue to access their funds.
Simphiwe Phakathi, he's the Easypay Executive Head of Sales and Distribution. Thank you very much for sharing some insights into some of the solutions offered by Easypay.